technical session number 13, and our subject is Shotcrete concrete. So before going ahead, I will request you to subscribe the channel and press bell icon and like it and share it in order to next video reach to you very quickly. So let us to go to the subject. What is the shotcrete? Shotcrete and when it is used. Shotcrete is a method of applying concrete projected at high velocity primarily on the vertical overhead surface. The impact created by the application consolidates the concrete. Although the hardened properties of the shotcretes are similar to those of the conventional and cast institute concrete, the nature of the placement process results in an excellent bond with the most substance and the rapid in our instant capabilities, particularly in complex forms or shape. The concrete process requires less formwork as can be more economical and the conventional place of concrete. Shotcrete is applied to using wet and dry process also. The wet mix shotcrete process mix all the ingredients includes water before introduction into a delivery house. The dry mix concrete process adds water to the mix in the nozzle. Shotcrete is a use now in construction and the repair of the suitable for curved and the elements in accordance to the ACA standard 506R. Shotcrete concrete is defined as mixture of cement, aggregate, and water sprayed pneumatically through the nozzle and a high velocity to produce a compacted, dense, and a homogeneous mass. The pressure of this shotcrete is using in accordance to 5 to 9 bars, and with a certain distance, according to the distance, pressure can be adjusted. And by the pressure, it is going and impact and make the very strong bond to the substrate. Fiber reinforced and the silica fumes can be added into the shotcretes and improve the mixed characteristics. Fine aggregates will be range 60 to 70% of combined aggregate. The shotcrete is mostly pre-packed material by some according to the formulation of the materials and the bonding agents and different ingredients, and as well as the admixture and in accordance to the specification of the projects and overall cover the standard requirements. The maximum size of the coarse aggregate equal 3 by 8, 9.5 mm. Properly applying of the shotcrete will reduce a sound concrete and the good bonding. Shotcrete concrete is a feasible and effective for then section and the large areas. Shotcrete concrete will develop high strength, low water absorption, and low permeability if fixed to the applied correctly. On the other hand, improper application, the shotcretes will be produced a weak concrete surface, valuable, and the chemical attacks when reduces the durability of the concrete. Both the shotcrete methods are used applications such as the concrete repair, bridges, infrastructure repairs, mine, sports, walls and ceilings, swimming pools repairs, and tunnel construction, and also parking, garage repairs, concrete building repairs, retaining wall repairs from the panel concrete building systems, regulatory materials applying for the lining, parks, affiliated tracks, concrete walls, zoo, slope, concrete dome construction, saw bell construction, weed ditch construction, and the water contaminants, canal lining, and the relining, also repairs of the lining, protection of the land for in order to avoid from the erosion, and so many purposes, and repair also, deck repair also, and it is very strong, and the bonding is very strong, and adhesion also very strong. With the wet process, shotcrete is low slump concrete mix in a pump, and the pump to end of the pipeline where it's go according to the distance of the areas, uh, especially shotcrete's nozzle is attached. This shotcrete nozzle reduces the compression air to the concrete. This compression air typically comes at 165 to 185 cm in air pressure, solid separately. The addition of the compression air adds velocity to the concrete, so spray out of the nozzle. The velocity combined with the low slump and the shotcrete mixes allow to the concrete to spray the slopes, vertical walls, overheads, and this. Advantages of the shotcretes: increasing the usage of the shotcrete sprayed concrete in a construction industry is one of the primary growth factor for the market. Shotcrete sprays concrete is increasingly becoming popular among construction and the builders as application is externally economical and flexible. It affects several advantages when compared to regular concrete and is more durable, and it imparts high mechanical strength to buildings and the construction. The use of shotcrete sprayed concrete in construction activities makes the structure less porous, which increase the bond strength and helps the lowering construction times and reduce cost as well also. There are disadvantages. We will describe very few. The primary disadvantages of the shotcrete compound to poured concrete in a amount of time that is take when used for the large foundations, structural pipes, and other structures. The large cross sections compared to using conventional forms and other large structures. So the mixed design of the shotcrete, I will describe about the mixed design of the shotcrete, which is there are 4 or 5 classes of the shotcretes. So all of these classes are used. Suppose 25 MPa, 32 MPa, 40 MPa, and 50 MPa according to the substrate and the nature of the existing structure and the types of the existing structure. Suppose if we consider 50 MPa, the coarse aggregate 7 to 10 mm is 620, and coarse aggregate which is sent 2 mm passing 330, and fine sand is 640, and the binder cement fly ash silica 495, and the water reducing reducer liter over cubic meter 1.2. So according to this standard and the ratio and the grades, we can make the shotcretes and apply accordingly. So this was briefing about the shotcrete of the concrete, and next time we will come with another subject which is most probably concrete in the hot weather and what is the temperature required fresh concrete versus temperature. Temperature of the mix or air temperature and whatever it is, we will discuss about that one. And thank you very much. And hopefully, and next time, see you with new subjects. And have a nice day. Thank you for everybody.